Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm your teacher and today it's your um, general knowledge lesson time. So today we will do the topic animal kingdom once again. As you know, we discussed about domestic animals, sea animals and wild animals. But today we will revise it wild animals once again. As I told you, I will show you some flashcards or some pictures of these animals. So let's start. First of all, you should know about what are wild animals. A wild animal is an animal that is wild in nature. It are not domesticated or lives on its own. They live in forest, or we can't keep them at our homes because they are very dangerous and furious. So they are not at all domestic animals. So students, you should not keep them at home. Now, here are some names of those animals like giraffe, zebra, snake, crocodile, hippo, seahorse, etc. Here are so many animals we will talk about. First of all, you can see this is a picture of the lion. Lion is the king of jungle. It's very hilarious and furious animal of the jungle, and he ruled the jungle. Now you can see with a long neck. This is a giraffe called giraffe. Who like giraffe? I love giraffe because it's very innocent animal, but it's not good to keep at home. Deer with the beautiful eyes. Deer also lives in forest. Alligator, they're so furious animal. This animal make everyone scared. Hannah, you can see the picture of alligator in front of your screens. uh, you can see the teeth of alligator. The alligator can eat every animal, even though human beings. So it's hilarious or furious in nature. Elephant. It's very cute. Who wants to ride elephant? Me. Yeah, why not? You can do it, but you should visit zoo first. You can see elephant over there and you can have a ride. Monkeys. Yes, you can see monkeys. Every time I saw monkeys on the trees, they are climbing on the tree. They just eat banana. Their favorite food is banana, but they can eat anything. So these are monkeys. Snake is so furious. Everyone is scared by this animal. You know, snake is crawling on the ground, and you can find it in water, in sand, in land, everywhere you can find a snake. It's a furious animal. Zebra with the white black stripes. I like zebra because it's also very innocent animal. You can see this animal in the zoo and as well as in the forest. So students, this was done for today, or we will, I hope you know about the wild animals very well. We will inshallah revise it once again in our upcoming lesson. And now it's our Islamiyat lesson. So in Islamiyat, what we have to do, you just have to know about the name of the last prophet. We will talk about Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, in this lesson. And you need to know about his life, his family. Okay. First of all, the first question is, who is our last holy prophet? Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, our last holy prophet. Okay, and where he was born? He was born in Makkah Mukarrama. And what was the name of holy prophet's mother? Hazrat Bibi Amina uh, was the mother of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. And what's the name of father of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him? Hazrat Abdullah. Very good. You already know about the history of our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, family. Okay, now tell me the grandfather name of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Hazrat Abdul Muttalib. Great. And you know, once again, I will repeat this question. Who is the last prophet? What's the name of the mother of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him? What's the name of the father of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him? What's the grandfather name of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him? And where Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, was born? So you need to revise all these questions. I will ask and learn and listen. You have to tell me answers, give me answers of these questions in our upcoming lesson. Till then, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.